It looks like a lot, but it's not. We are running out of the natural resource no one can do without. So we asked ourselves, how much water does denim really need? And how do we minimize denim's environmental impact? We used science to find that out and reimagined our usage and wastewater cycle. Industry 4.0 automates and exchanges data to reduce our denim's water dependency, like in our smart laundry. In some processes, why not use air instead of water? Real-time consumption data, measured at every point, helps us to set realistic targets and stay on track. A solid financial commitment has rendered the incredible to routine. We can say that saving around 2 million gallons of water a day is realistic. Treating effluent water to meet zero discharge of hazardous chemicals is on target. And recycling 85% of the water entering our plant is routine. Collaboration with industry partners and international organizations towards a cleaner and better denim industry plays a large role in our strategy. This is how the crystal clear process was developed, using an organic reducing agent. It is used in the first cradle-to-cradle gold certified denim. In partnership with WWF, we train our employees and community on water sanitation and hygiene. And by endorsing the CEO water mandate, we plan to share our progress on water stewardship. After certification by the Alliance for Water Stewardship, our data will contribute to science-based targets for our catchment area. Going forward, we are chalking a path towards zero liquid discharge by 2025 and will continue to be the denim company of the future.